post-traumatic stress. So from a neurological and neurobiology standpoint, we really find that the horse work is healing for people. So I invite people who are interested in this type of work, either for their own healing or someone in their family, to contact us and come out and have an experience working with the horses. Okay, so Lisa, you're going to be my animal handler today, and our clients, Maggie and Courtney, are just working on their mindfulness breathing, and we did our stretches already and relaxation. And so with Skippy and Perry, we're going to just do a little bit of T-touch. But I want you guys to just take a mindful breath first and get really grounded from that place in your belly that gives you support, and follow Lisa's lead and just kind of take a deep breath. And then just turn and connect with your horse. And if you want to try some ear slides or some body work, and remember, you're going to connect with your horse and notice what they like and don't like. And we're not going to override their boundaries, because we're practicing boundaries today. And with Perry, remember, Courtney, that his eye on the right he can't see out of. So you're just working in space with him and connect with him in a way that feels comfortable for you and for him. And then Lisa will hold the space. If you need her to hold your horse or help you, you can get her to do that. Nicely done. So how you doing, Maggie?
Good.
Okay, and what do you notice about Skippy?
He's relaxed.
Okay, and so what tells you that?
His eyes are kind of closing. His head is dropped.
Yeah. So the energy, the Tellington touch that you're doing seems to be able to calm him. And have you been practicing any of the ear slides at home when you are trying to parent or struggling a little bit?
I find when I'm anxious, I kind of reach for my ear now and kind of, maybe not do the whole hair slide, but I kind of play with my lobe and tug it.
So, did you notice anything when you do that?
I relax.
Good. Okay. And remember, Courtney, to ground your thumb when you're doing that. There you go. Yeah. And how's Perry doing?
Seems to be doing good.
Yeah. And I know you're working on being a little bit more assertive and things like that when you're not at the farm. How's that going?
Good.
Okay. So were you able to talk with that professor of yours and dispute the grade that you wanted to that day?
Yes, I was.
And how'd that go?
Very good.
Okay.
I find I have lots more confidence now.
Yes. Yeah. And your horse kind of put his head up when you said that, and I wasn't sure if he was startled or he's like going, yeah, confidence.
I think he just got more confident in me.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's nice that you're doing the Noah's March on him just to help him relax. So, and Maggie, if you want to take Skippy for a walk, and I know that you were working on some journaling, and if you want to share what you've been writing in your journal with Skippy on your walk, you can do that. And then we'll put Courtney up on Skippy, because she wanted to do that today, and just to sit on the horse.
Ready and walk.
So connect with Skippy. Remember, you want to come forward first. There you go. And Lisa, you're cool with him going for a walk? Okay. Have fun, Skippy.
I'm walking? Oh.
If you want, or you can do some T-touch. Or what do you need to get ready to be able to get on Skippy? And are you cool if Maggie and Lisa lead?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So Lisa, do you want to lead or hold Perry while I lead? What would be better for you today?
I will,
Because you're kind of more connected to Skippy, so.
yeah, I think I could lead Skippy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Maggie, whenever you're ready, you can come back around. And do you want wands today, Lisa? Okay. And so the only thing I want you to be doing when you're on is when you get on the mounting block, let these guys know if you're ready to get on. Mm-hmm. And then just practice that breathing and relaxation and connecting with that place inside of you that feels strong and assertive and ready to do this today. Okay? Okay? All right, so I'll trade off. If you want to grab the mounting block. And Maggie, are you all right just holding him for a minute? Okay. And do you need anything before you get on today, Courtney?
I don't think so.
Okay. Thank you, Lisa. Maggie, how was the walk?
Pardon me?
How was your walk?
Very good. He was a little stiff because we've been standing too long, but otherwise it was very good.
Okay. Okay, so whenever you're ready, connect with Lisa and you guys figure out and talk to Maggie. Okay, check in with Maggie. Thank you, Skippy. Okay, he got a little
Arthritis.
yeah, a little sore today. So we're just gonna kind of take a couple deep breaths, Courtney, and put your head up and connect with him and pet him and tell him thank you.
And how would you like me to support you here when you're riding? You can hold this.
Thank you, Perry.
And are you ready to move forward with your horse?
And Lisa, you don't have to lead from back there. You can just have that in case Maggie needs help.
Okay.
Yeah, this more the side support.
Okay.
And Lisa, he seems better. Is he's all right to move?
Yep.
Do you want to take a couple steps today, Courtney?
I think so.
All right, I know last time just sitting up there was a pretty big deal. Are you feeling like you're breathing from your belly?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so, oh. Okay, you got it? All right, maybe just 3 steps.
Okay. Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
And relax your body. Come on, Skippy. 1, 2, 3. And then sink your weight. Thank you. All right, and I'm noticing for Skippy that might be all today too. Because I know he worked this morning, so. Okay, do you remember? I'm going to move Perry a little bit, so. And then just take your directions from Lisa about getting down. Maggie, you're doing a great job setting limits and just keeping them safe.
Good job, Courtney. Nice job.
So if you could keep Courtney up there pretty comfortable, Maggie, I think when you're parenting those teenagers, it's going to get a little easier.
Hopefully. Nice work.
Nice smile, Courtney. Okay. Thanks, you guys. And next week we're going to work a little bit. We're going to build, remember we're going to put the challenge course down, and you guys are going to build your challenge course on the ground and walk the horses through it that represent the challenges in your own life. So be thinking about in your journaling about what equipment here you want to use at the farm to represent your challenges in life and walking the horses through it. Okay? Thank you for the ear slide. You're putting your horse back to sleep. Thank you, Skippy. We just did a mock session to give you an example of some of the equine therapy. And the Tellington Touch that we do is energy work that was invented by a woman named Linda Tellington Jones. And we teach clients those mindfulness energy points to work with the horses as a way to help them learn calming and relaxing and mindfulness skills to incorporate in their everyday life. And sometimes when they can do it on the horses, they can also learn to do it on themselves. And it helps them when they get in situations in their life where they're getting anxious or worried. And I use Tellington Touch a lot with people who have gone through trauma or people that just need to learn to be assertive. Thank you, Perry.